Hello, welcome back with me Eddie again. This is the GameBox Mini keychain modified with ESP32. With this modifier we can have some emulators such as Game Boy, Game Boy Color, NES, Sega Master System and Game Gears. ESP32 is good and simple to use for those emulators and games that don't need really powerful game performance. But maybe for someone this GameBox Mini is too small, especially the screen display. We hear you, and this is the one we come with a new GBC ESP32. Let's unboxing this. A GBC ESP32 console, a charging cable, and a game cartridge. Let's have a look for the specification before we go deep to it. Core is ESP32 dual core with 240 mAh jack. RAM is 520 KB SRAM. Display screen is 2.8 inch IPS screen with 240 x 320 resolution. Game Boy Color is born from 1998 and until now still have a lot of third-party modifying parts for this console. So from this you know how popular this console is. The size is not too big, too small, or too slim, too thick. Feel really comfortable to hold on your hand. Original display screen is come with 1.6 inch, a bit too small. So for this GBC ESP32 we use 2.8 inch IPS screen with 240 x 320 resolution. Front we have the same layout as normal GBC, AB buttons, start select button and a D-pad. The volume slider remain as slider but we replace it with system function for game such as exit, save and others. Nothing changes with the power switch, still remain the same to power on the console. Bottom is a charging port to charge directly to 14500 rechargeable battery, and beside of the charging port is headphone socket. Back we have a game cartridge slot. So for this game cartridge slot, we don't want to waste it or just take an empty game cartridge. We make use of it with SD card. Now we can enjoy just as like original Game Boy Color. With this SD card game cartridge, you're able to prepare more than one SD card followed by your light, and at the same time you're able to enjoy different games from different SD card by strap the game cartridge. Let's power on the console. This GBC ESP32 have the same emulator with the GameBox Mini, NES, Game Boy, Game Boy Color, Sega Master System, Coleco, Game Gear, text reader and last music player. This screen to read some ebook is better than the GameBox Mini. But actually how many do yours will read the ebook from the gaming console? If you want, you're also able to enjoy your music. You're able to change some settings such as volume, brightness or activate your Wi-Fi when you press the volume slider on the menu. At the same, you press the volume slider when you play the game. It will bring you to some setting, or you're able to choose to save your game from the volume slider. Let's move to some games. Well, that's it. A better, bigger screen GBC ESP32. If compared with GameBox Mini, the screen size is bigger and better. ESP32 is not suitable for those powerful games, even like Game Boy Advance. It's not able to run, but just for some old retro game, it's still very fun and good. Hope you like it. If you enjoy the video, please do share the video. See you on next video.